Hey everyone, I haven't posted a video in a while. I have kind of a lot going on right now in life. I got married about a month and a half ago, and today I just want to talk about one of the gifts that I made for my groomsmen and my dad, and then I also made one for myself here. So this is a little gift box that I printed, and it's kind of special. I wanted to do something that was, 3D printed and CNC'd, but also had a little personal touch. And so what I did was I made this gift box for all of my groomsmen and my dad, and then I also made one for me because I'm already making these. So I figure you hit print one more time, and then you get one for yourself. But yeah, this is a gift box that I made, and there's a couple pieces. We got a lid and the base. And what you can notice right away is that I have the printed piece here on a separate color than the nameplate. So it's a pretty, common trick. What you can do is just print the blue square, the nameplate, and then swap your filament, and then put the white filament on there, and then it gives it a nice little effect. So another thing I did on the lid, you might notice that I printed the lid face down, and what that does is it gives a nice shiny look from the glass plate, from the glass bed, and I didn't really like that. I wanted to do something a little more matte. I bought some nice filament for this. So what I did was I printed a little beauty plate, and you can kind of see the beauty plate glued on top here. And I just thought that gave a little bit nicer effect. So anyway, moving on to what is actually inside the box. So if you take the lid off here, I have a customized pocket knife, and then I also have a 50 caliber bottle opener. So each groomsman and my dad got one of these, and then I also got one for myself. So this was designed by myself in Fusion 360. And then another thing I also did here was, if we take these out, I also cut little velvet strips of felt on the MPCNC. So I kind of showed off my drag knife a little bit in a previous video, but I thought it'd be cool to cut a little velvet strip out here, make it feel a little more premium, make it feel a little bit more like I didn't just hit print on the printer and make a gift. I wanted to make it feel a little nicer and give it a more premium touch. This one, I had to do a couple trials on the velvet, so it's not the prettiest. That's why this one's mine. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show off my groomsmen gift here. Each groomsman got one, and then I made one for my dad as well, and then this one is mine. So, but yeah, kind of a quick showcase video. And I also got these knives here on Amazon. I did not make these, unfortunately. Wasn't confident enough to etch out the naming for everyone. So, but yeah, pretty nice knife, and I thought it worked out really well. So they were a pretty big hit, and everyone enjoyed them. So yeah, these are the groomsmen boxes I made, and yeah, thanks for watching.